So for security purposes, please don't show any important information. Okay.
Yep, noted. Yes.
All right. So let's get started. You said you
Oh yeah,
downloaded the
so this is
most.
the,
Okay.
yes,
Okay.
I have added the bots over here, and the DLL file is included in the MetaTrader. This is like the official MetaTrader. And when I add the bot to the chart, this is the error I get, invalidated.
Okay. Okay. Can you go to the file you downloaded from Trading Kernel?
Uh, the
The f-
downloaded file
yes,
for
the file
most wanted
the
EA?
file yes, the file you downloaded from Trading Kernel. The file
Oh,
itself you downloaded from Trading Kernel.
okay. Give me a second.
It wouldn't be there. It wouldn't be there. It wouldn't be there, sir. The file you
No, no,
downloaded
it's
from
oh,
Trading Kernel, the zip file you downloaded.
yep, it's here. It's here. Give me 1 second. It's here. This is the extracted file for the most wanted MT5.
I can't see. Did you just are you just sharing a particular section of your screen? Because I can't see
Okay, wait.
anything
Let me
else.
show you the entire screen.
Yes, please share your entire screen.
Okay, can you see my screen right now?
Yes, yes, I believe I can see your screen.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the zip file I've downloaded for the most
Okay.
wanted
Can you
EA,
extract
and
the
this is
file?
the
Can you extract the file?
yep.
Are you a Python developer?
It's yes, I am. I'm actually a computer science major student.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
What knowledge do you have with data analysis, financial data analysis?
I'm not saying financially. I'm actually expertising in AI and machine learning.
Okay. Okay.
Currently, I'm studying that. Yeah.
What sectors of machine learning are you learning currently?
Right now, we just develop with learning. I'm actually in the initial stage. My college has just started, and I'm actually learning in the initial stage right now. So I'm
Okay.
not even gone brief.
Okay. 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 You should know Python is very good
Yep.
when it comes to
Yes.
financial data analysis. In fact, that's what we use on
Yes.
our new framework. So, if you have a good experience, you can watch videos on how we do analysis on currencies, indexes, commodities,
Sure,
and you'd
sure,
learn a
sure, for
lot.
sure.
Okay, so head
Yep.
over to the file. Can you open up the file so we can see what you have in the file?
Okay, let me extract it. Okay, it's already there. So the files is here. The most wanted EA
Okay,
MT5.
can you open it up?
Yep, it's open.
Okay, so we have the DLO and the expert. Okay, this file doesn't actually come with the terminal. So here's what I'm
Okay.
going to do. Hold on. Let me just head over to Trading Kernel Stack. Let me see if we have a terminal here. Is this MT5? This is MT4. Okay. Where's the meeting link? Head over to the meeting link. The meeting
Okay,
chat
one
platform
second.
rather. I just dropped a link there. Click on the file there. Click on the file there.
Yep.
Yeah, so just download the terminal.
Okay. Okay, it's downloaded.
Okay, so open up the terminal. Open up the file. If you're coming, welcome. We are currently working on an issue with the most wanted expert advice. So
Oh, okay,
just be
okay.
patient, and we are going to resolve your issues. Okay, so
Okay.
that's the terminal. So copy everything there. Copy everything there.
Okay, it's
Okay,
done.
copy. Have you copied? Click on copy.
Yes.
Head over to your terminal data folder. Minimize that. Head over to your terminal itself.
Okay, the MetaTrader terminal.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Make sure it's closed. Make sure it's closed. Make sure it's closed. Close it first. Close it.
Okay.
All
Okay,
right.
it's
So
closed.
open it up on the file location. Open up the file location where you have that MT5 installed. Not there. That's the one you copied right now. Open up where you have the file installed. Okay, open file location.
Yes.
The link is on our Telegram group. Okay, so paste everything there. Paste everything there. Are you sure that
Okay.
looks like the shortcut? Are you sure that is that the shortcut or the main file? Is that where the main file is? It says shortcut here. Why
Yes,
does it
it's
say
like the
shortcut?
shortcut. So I went over here and I typed MP5. This is the
Why does
metadata
it?
file which I've
Yeah,
already installed.
right click on that. Right click on that.
Yes.
Click on open file location.
Yeah.
Why does this? Okay, just right click and paste. Paste everything there.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, it's done.
Why do you have two terminals here?
So this was the previous MetaTrader which I've already installed.
Okay, open up the terminal 64 application.
So,
Open up the
do
terminal.
you want me to delete the shortcut files and leave the application files only?
Just open up the terminal 64 application. Let's go from there. Open up the terminal 64. I don't know why that says shortcut. It's supposed to show application just like how this shows now. I don't know why it says shortcut, but you know what? Let's just try it out. So go to the file you downloaded from Trading Kernel.
Yeah, the
Okay,
most
so
wanted.
copy the DLL file. Open up and copy the DLL file. The DLL file first. Let's start with the DLL file. So copy the DLL file.
Okay.
Okay, so head over back to not there. Head over back to where you pasted those files initially. Do you remember?
Oh yeah, the file location.
Yeah. Open up the file location.
Yep.
Okay, so paste the file there. Close up the terminal before you paste the file. Can you do that? Close up the terminal before you paste the file.
Yes, it's closed.
Yeah, so paste the file. Click on continue. Okay, awesome. So open up the terminal 64 now. So head over back to the file you downloaded from Trading Kernel. Copy the most wanted EA, any of the versions.
Okay.
Okay, so minimize. Head over to file. Open data folder. So MKL5, experts, advisors, and then paste it in the advisors directory. Yeah, just paste it there. Okay, so you can cancel out of there right now, and then refresh. Cancel out the markets watch. Just open up what's the most wanted EA supposed to work on?
Gold or Euro USD?
Okay, so open up a Euro USD chart. Open up a Euro USD chart. I think that should be up. I think you passed it. Okay,
Yep,
open up gold. Open up gold. That's fine. So click on the expert advisors and refresh that directory. Yeah, so refresh the directory. Open it up. Open up the directory. Open up the advisors. Cancel out the updates. Cancel out the updates for now. Cancel it out. And then click on the most wanted EA.
This is 1.3?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, does it come up now? Okay. You can cancel out of there. Cancel out of there now. Cancel out of there first. Head over to your algo trading. Make sure that button is turned on. Algo trading at the top. Yeah, make sure it's turned on. Yeah, click on it. Make sure it's turned on. Then head over to tools.
Okay.
Head over to options. Yeah. So yes, you know what to do. DLL imports.
Yeah.
And allow web requests also in case the most wanted EA uses web requests. So just allow the web request.
Okay, cool.
All right. So click on OK.
Okay.
And then click on the most wanted EA right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Attached to chart?
Yes, attached to chart. Yes. Okay, so you can go to the inputs. Make sure you have that allow modification of signal settings checked.
Okay.
Okay, so open up the inputs.
Yes.
And then you can modify some of the values there. the risk percentage, how much do you want to risk of your
Oh,
account.
yes.
Okay,
Yep,
so
it's functionable now. It's functionable now. Yes.
yeah, so you can modify the inputs according to whatever you want. Okay,
Yes, yes.
you
Yes.
can click OK now. Let's see if it actually works. Click OK.
Okay.
Okay, so it's currently working now. You don't have any issues.
Oh, yes, it does.
Yeah,
It does. It's automatic.
yeah.
It's working. I can see the blue hat over here. Yep, perfect.
Okay, awesome,
Yep.
awesome.
Okay, thank you so much. This was very helpful. This was very helpful. Thank you so much for helping out.
All right,
Thank you so much.
all right. Very happy to have helped.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so in case in the future you download any system from Trading Kernel and it suddenly refuses to attach to charts, you know what to do. Just head over to the stack
Yep.
and download our MetaTrader terminal. It doesn't happen to all of our systems, but sometimes the terminal you are using might have been outdated or recently updated, so you have to use the terminal that we provide for you. Okay.
Yes, yes.
All right.
Perfect. Okay, this might be an intrusive question, but please don't take me wrong. But how are you providing these software so cheap and so affordable? That's very great of you, but it's very great.
Well, that's our job. That's our job, and actually, it's a lot for us. But what we have to do is to ensure that everyone has access to third-party systems,
Yes.
right? And they don't have to actually, spend much to get these third-party systems. Obviously, when you have the money, you can go over to the current owners and purchase the system from them, but we're just giving you the license to try out the systems. It's unlimited.
Agreed.
You can try out the systems for as long as you want, right? But you know does that answer your question?
Yep. Agreed. You're doing a great job. You're
All
doing a
right.
great job.
All right.
Thank you
all
so
right.
much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mr. Kalanda says, is there any robots which can genuinely trade for me? Because I bought some robots from someone, but it failed to trade. So what exactly do you mean by that, Mr. Kalanda?
Yes, please.
Okay, so what exactly do you mean by the robot you bought failed to trade? What exactly do you mean by that? Did it actually trade and make losses or blew your account, or you didn't trade at all?
Actually, I'm totally new beginner to trading.
Okay.
I bought a robot. It was worth around $400.
Wow.
But I installed the robot from, but the robot did open any trades. Actually, what I can say to it was a total loss. I didn't get anything from it.
Did you contact the person you bought the robot from?
Yes.
What did he say about the issues you're facing?
Actually, he was telling me everything. Do this, do that. But I did everything. But you would install and plug it 24 hours, no trade opened.
Okay. I apologize for that. In this should I say world, or in this automated trading world, there are a lot of scams, right? So most of the time you see them on YouTube, TikTok, telling you can make millions from trading with automated systems. I would never tell you that. I would never tell you that you can make millions trading from automated systems, right? There's a possibility that you can, but it's a very low probability, right? Making millions in a day from trading systems, and then showing you a dream life that you can have from trading systems. And at the end of the day, you spend a high amount of money to buy these automated robots, and they end up being a scam or stuffs like that. Okay, I really apologize for that. And that's one of the reasons why on Trading Kernel, most of our systems are very affordable. In fact, by the start of next month, we are planning on starting our subscriptions, which means if you subscribe to our platform, you can download all third-party systems, including our systems, for just a little amount per month, right? So you don't have to try out just one system. You have access to try out all of our systems in order to ensure that you have a system that works for you. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
Mr.
Mr. Kalanda, what exactly is your trading strategy? What's your trading style? What kind of a trader are you? Are you a day trader? Are you, or what kind of strategy are you looking for?
Actually, I was for for being a day trader, so
Okay.
that I get daily income.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I decided to maybe consult you as an expert to guide me on which robot I can get from Trading Kano.
Okay. Firstly, I'm not an expert in automated systems development. We are all students and would all continue to be students because, like I said, no one can predict the market. No one can predict the future. But we obviously build systems that, or we obviously have third-party systems that follow the market, right? So, which securities do you trade? Which securities do you have interest in?
Actually, I was planning on trading the normal currency. Actually, I'm not so good in this thing because I know less about it. But
Okay.
I was planning just to trade currencies and maybe some commodities like gold.
Okay.
You can
So
get
we have two systems on trading kernel that we released recently. We have our reversal strategy, we have our trend trading strategy, and we also have our Akani trading system. If you head over to our live stream right now, you would see Akani trading system streaming live. I don't know if you guys here are informed, but we've been trading on that system for almost, I think, should be 3 months now. We were supposed to trade on an FTMO MFF evaluation account. So we started with the system that was on the 1st of June, I believe, 1st of June. We made that the 8% in somewhere around June. I think that was on the 21st or 22nd of June. And then we head over to the phase two where we're supposed to hit the 5% target, and now we are 2%, and this is August, guys. So we've spent almost about 3 months thereabouts on the Akani trading system. We've been streaming this daily. I mean, daily, guys, live daily, and we haven't stopped streaming. And we're going to end the streaming once we've passed the phase two evaluation. And honestly, guys, it's taking really, really long to pass the challenge. So, like I said, there are three systems that we have created, we've back tested, and we have been using for a while, which we have deemed as profitable over time, which means you might actually make a loss today, you might make a loss tomorrow, but over the period of 60 to 90 days you'd likely end up in profits. All right, so it obviously depends on what your trading strategy is. Okay, if you're someone that can look at third-party systems, there are a lot of third-party systems that we have on Trading Kernel that could work for you. Okay, you just have to understand. The most important thing is to understand how to use the system. Okay, so understand how to use the system, when the system could likely make profits and when the system could likely make losses. For example, in the Akani trading system, it uses a trend following strategy. So as long as there are trends, we know that we are going to make money. So when there are no trends, we are obviously going to be making losses, right? Or we're going to be ranging in our account equity thereabouts. Do you understand what I'm saying?
I'm trying to pick something.
Okay, all right. So it all depends on your trading technique and your trading strategy. You can head over to Trading Kernel and download any of these systems. We've ensured that they are very affordable, not $400 or $300. The Akani trading system is just, I think they're about $49 or thereabout, and all of our systems are just $25 only. Okay, but once you download the Akani trading system, we usually give you all the systems we have developed for free. Okay, so you can head over and download the Akani trading system and then try it out on your platform. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, Mr. Manohar, welcome to our live support meeting. Do you have any issues or questions for me?
Tony, I have a question.
Okay. All right.
So I got the most wanted EA. Do you know the statistics of most wanted EA? How is the performance? When should we use so that it performs best?
Exactly.
Even if you give some advice.
Exactly. So we don't know the statistics of the most wanted EA. All right. But what we've done is that we've released a community. We've had this community for for like a period of time. I don't know if you know, it's called Trading Kernel Stack. That's exactly where I had to send you this link right now. Okay, so if you go on Trading Kernel Stack, it's a community for automated traders, right? So we have everything there. The reason why we release this community is that, you know, since we are releasing a lot of third-party systems, we cannot follow up the statistics of all of these systems. It's impossible, right? We're going to go bankrupt if we try to do that, because imagine when we are trying to live stream about 40 to 50 or about 100 trading softwares daily, right? It's obviously not possible. We cannot keep up with it. So we released Trading Kernel Stack in order to ensure that when people like you download these systems from Trading Kernel, you can backtest the systems yourself, update the statistics and the performance on Trading Kernel Stack, so that when other people come on board, they can actually see the statistics and know which system would likely be profitable for them. Okay.
Understood.
On Trading Kernel Stack, you can also request for a set file for
Oh.
FTMO challenge. Just head over to the community, head over to the set file optimization group, and request for a set file. And when you request for a set file, you also make sure that you have to add your broker and a demo account in your broker, so someone can actually log into your demo account and perform a back test, then optimize the system, and then provide you with the settings. Okay.
Yes, understood. Amazing.
All right. So, Mr. Kalanda, do you have any other questions?
Mr. Tony, I would like to need guidance on. I was planning on buying the Robbery. How is it?
Okay. I was actually expecting, you know, a lot of people here on this live meeting today. I don't know why we have just 4 users here. Maybe it's probably early in other time zones, but I was actually planning to talk a little bit more about the Robbery 1.0 today. So I don't know if talking to you and then I have to repeat myself over and over and over and over again, but you know, you're the only one here. So let's talk about the Robbery 1.0. The Robbery 1.0 is an automated third-party system, obviously just like the Most Wanted A and other platforms on Trading Kernel, right? And it's I would say it's a very super aggressive system. Okay, so we've actually uploaded the installation video, and then we uploaded live trading video on the Robbery 1.0. I think we started with about $16 and we made about $30. This was on the MetaTrader 5 on Deriv. We explored the MetaTrader 4 and we found out that there were some issues in MetaTrader 4. The issues were, if you set up the Robbery 1.0 in MetaTrader 4, when you set the maximum amount of trades, let's say you set your maximum amount of trades to be 4, it doesn't respect that, or it keeps opening trades on multiple pairs, right? So we recommended that people don't use the MetaTrader 4 version. But if you're going to be using the MetaTrader 4 version, you have to make sure to be available to disable automated trading once you've had maximum amount of trades that you want. Okay. And for the Robbery 1.0 MetaTrader 5, it is a super risky, aggressive system. It's a highly aggressive system, which means it has the ability to, you know, flip your accounts or thereabout, but it also has the ability to blow your accounts, which a lot of people tend to ignore. Okay, they go ahead and then they purchase the system, and then they just set it up, and eventually it blows up their accounts, right? And then, you know, and mostly for beginners, right? So what we did on the live stream was that we actually streamed live as we're actually trading, and then we're showing people how to trade with the system, right? So if you're trading the system, you have to make sure to close out the profits as quickly as they come, right? So that was what we did on the Robbery 1.0. So if you're going to be downloading the Robbery 1.0, you have to understand that it's a super risky, aggressive system. It could blow your account. Okay, there's a very high possibility that it will. Okay, but there's a good possibility that it could also flip your account. But before you can do that, you have to make sure that you're a very good automated trader. You're experienced in using automated trading systems.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's it for now. Let me give the floor to my fellows.
Okay, Mr. Gibson Khan, welcome. Do you have any questions or any support issues?
No, please.
Okay.